Hello, my friends, and welcome back. Today, I'm going to be doing a plan with me using this absolutely gorgeous kit called Autumn Adventures. And this is by the fabulous Miss Elizabeth over at Tilly B Plans. Her shop is on Etsy. I will leave it linked below. I wanted to hurry up and get this plan with me out for you so that you can see this kit in all its glory. She has so many kits available, lots and lots of autumn kits and winter kits, absolutely gorgeous. And since she is a part of the TPC sale on Thursday, I wanted to get this up so that you could see it down, see how glorious it looks, and then that way you can go hurry up and add it to your cart and buy it on Thursday when you get her discount code. So I'm going to start laying everything down. Look at the colors. It's absolutely gorgeous. Over on Tilly B's shop, there's a drop down box. So in the drop down box, there's some different options that you can choose, like just the kit plus the headers, kit plus the bonus. I ended up getting the kit plus the bonus, and I think the headers too. So I got everything. And the reason why I did that is because I knew when I saw the artwork and I saw the colors, and I've had kits from Tilly B before, so I know how vibrant her colors are and I know how good her paper is, that I was going to love this kit so much that I wanted to have it for my daily journaling pages as well, which I'm flipping through right now so you can kind of see a little bit of my daily journaling pages back there. But this is the TPC hybrid planner that I'm using. This is my family, daytime, everything, kind of everything planner. And so I have the daily journaling pages after the weekly. So I put down the weekly spread first, and then I saved all of the leftovers, and those will be used on a couple of the daily pages because I have so much here, including some gorgeous washi. It's going to look absolutely fantastic as daily spreads as well. So I'm just going to put down my date dots, and I'm going to tell you right now ahead of time, I totally messed up. I didn't realize that the camera turned off before I finished the spread, and I have no way of kind of turning back time and going back and showing you because I'm already in this week. So I've already started using it, I've already started writing in it, and I am a true planner. So I don't just write stuff in my planner that's all cutesy and fun to look at and take pictures of it. I use this thing, and I put things in my planner sometimes that I don't want to share on social media, so I really can't go back and take a picture of it after I've already started writing in it because I really do truly use this as a family slash um, planner and journaling pages and everything else. And because of my job, which I think most of you know that I'm a respiratory therapist, I work in the ICU, I'm surrounded by COVID. And so my journaling pages sometimes are an outlet for me, a way for me to just kind of get my frustrations out and just write down, my feelings or what kind of day I've had or what kind of not to be mean, but what kind of a stupid day I've had, that kind of stuff. So I don't really feel like sharing that on social media is such a good idea because it's such a hot topic. I don't want to upset anybody or, bring anybody into my poopy world right now. So that is why you won't see my journaling pages unless it's something that I think is appropriate for all ages and all viewers. And then I might, snap a picture of it and throw it up on Instagram or something like that. But lately, my journaling pages have been more like a dear diary, this day sucked. So I really don't want to put that up for the whole world to see. So that's why you won't see the daily journaling pages. But what makes the daily journaling pages better and what makes it so much fun to write on and to use like my little dear diary is this artwork. So every single time I decorate a daily journaling page, I'm just like, I just want to write in it because I think it's so pretty, it's so fun to look at, and sometimes it actually brings my mood up. So not only do I have a place to just throw out all of the bad and get it all out, but I have a beautiful thing to look at. It's calming, it's relaxing. Putting down the stickers and writing everything down is very cathartic, so that is why I do it. And if everybody has their reasons for why they plan, why they journal, why they use stickers, and why they do all these things, but that's mine right there because it just makes me happy and it's just fun for me. So yeah, now that I got that all out, like I didn't really want to turn this into a big old woe is me kind of a thing because it's not. I love my job. I love my shop. I love all of you. I love doing this. I really don't have any complaints. I'm just frustrated. That's all. It's just frustrating. And most people have somebody to talk to about that kind of stuff when they're frustrated. And I try to talk to my husband, but he's in the same boat that I am. We're both in the medical field. He's kind of frustrated too, and it's really hard for us to really talk about it. Plus, when we're together, we just don't want to talk about that kind of stuff. We talk about the kids, we talk about the house, we talk about plans, vacations, things like that. We don't want to talk about work. So we really don't. So the person that I do like to talk to is my mom. But my mom and I have very different opinions about things. We're different political opinions, we have different medical opinions, we're just on opposite sides of the fence. And so it's really hard for me to even just talk to my mom because sometimes my mom is just like, well, it's stupid. So I can't even really talk to her about it. So that is why my journal and my planner is so important to me. Anyway, so I will get back to this. Like I said, I'm a ding dong. This is just going to abruptly end. And I didn't take a picture because, again, Caitlin says best worst YouTuber. I think I am kind of like right there with her. So I'm the best worst YouTuber under Caitlin. How's that? And I didn't even realize that the camera had turned off. What had actually happened is it ran out of space. I've never done that before, but because I haven't cleaned out any of the old videos, I didn't realize that there was no room. So after Saturday, there's no more. But you get the idea. It's basically the same all the way through. And on the sidebar, I just did like I always do. I wrote down all of the things that I have, the important stuff that I have to do throughout the week. And yeah, so you're not missing a ton, but I really, really wanted you guys to see how gorgeous, how bright, how vibrant, and how fall this kit is, and then give you the opportunity to be able to throw one in your basket before the TPC sale starts on Thursday. Like I said, I will leave her shop listed below. I'll also leave this planner listed below if you're interested in this planner. You get this one over at TPC shop. I did put a funny little ending to it. The technical difficulties, like from when the old black and white TVs are. So you'll know as soon as that pops up that we're done. So thanks guys so much for stopping by. I really, really appreciate it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, even though I messed it up. So sorry. And if you want to see more, hit the bell, subscribe, and also please join the Facebook group. Come over and join the Facebook group. We're having so much fun, lots of giveaways, sneak peeks, all that kind of stuff. So if you want to do that, I will also leave that linked below. And that's it. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you soon. And there you go. Bye bye.